So we're getting to that time of year again where Mobile World Congress is upcoming. I think we can kind of guess what some of the really big key themes are going to be. IoT obviously is going to be a massive one, a lot to do with connected cars, obviously that's been the case the last couple of years. And 5G I think is going to be a big topic, but what will the discussions around 5G actually be about? Because 5G, a lot of companies talking about maybe doing early iterations or trials or testing out business cases or use cases for 5G in 2018 and beyond. But the actual sort of any kind of commercial implementations, people are talking about 2020 and beyond. So what is the chat and what are the decisions to be made around 5G now? I don't think that they're really anything to do with mobile. That doesn't mean they're not relevant for the Mobile World Congress. But I think the key things that need to be discussed now and looked at now in terms of 5G is the packet transport network that needs to support 5G in the end. So front haul, back haul, metro and long haul. It's all fixed stuff, some wireless at the edge obviously, but that core infrastructure that will carry all the data. And then the analytics side of it. So I think if you go to Mobile World Congress and people are talking about we've got a great 5G story, it's all about how fast the wireless broadband access is going to be. I think that's great, you can talk about that, but what really needs to be talked about now is the transport and the analytics. And then the other thing with IoT, I think we're going to hear an awful lot more this year about the next industrial revolution. I know that that's just been a big topic at Davos, at the World Economic Forum, but I think we're now going to be moving into an era where people are going to stop talking so much about connected fridges and they're going to be talking much more about IoT in a industrial environment and as a business tool. And I certainly expect to be hearing a lot of proper use and business cases around that at this year's Mobile World Congress.